This pencil goes to girl. Ethan, look. Daddy, Ethan, look.
He was asleep.
Ethan, what?
He was in his nap time.
Oh. Well,
What's in
nap
it?
time is over, and you don't have to stay at school for the rest of the day, okay? We're going to go play. What do you got to show me?
Smiley faces.
Come
Good
here, buddy.
job.
Come here.
Do you talk? Do you talk?
He said, my stepdad must be off of the plane. Well, y'all have some great time together.
We will. Thank you.
He knew.
We're proud of you, Ethan. That's good, buddy.
I almost fell.
So let's get out of here.
Yay.
Unless y'all want to stay at school. Y'all want to stay at school?
Get out.
I'm not going to stay. Y'all want to leave with me?
Yeah.
All right, let's get out.